Imagine unlocking your brain's full potential, achieving peak focus and mental clarity, all before you even check your first email. Sound too good to be true? Today, we're exploring ancient, yet scientifically backed breathwork practices that can literally rewire your brain for enhanced cognitive function. These simple techniques will transform your mornings and your entire day. The focus paradox. Before we dive into the exercises, let's understand why focus is so hard in the first place. Modern life is full of distractions, notifications pinging constantly, multitasking on every screen, and the always-on culture. Our brains are pulled in 100 directions at once, leaving our attention scattered and our mornings chaotic. Neuroscience shows that when we're constantly distracted, the prefrontal cortex struggles to stay engaged. This reduces working memory, clarity, and decision-making ability. But there is a proactive solution, a form of biohacking that trains your nervous system and primes your brain for laser-sharp focus. And that solution is your breath. Now that we understand the focus paradox, let's explore the hidden power of your breath.
Take a deep breath.
Breathing is more than just oxygen intake. It directly impacts your vagus nerve and your nervous system. Controlled breathing can shift your body from stress mode into a state of calm alertness, allowing your brain to function at its peak. Scientific studies show that specific breathwork techniques increase oxygen flow to the brain, enhancing activity in the prefrontal cortex, the area responsible for focus, decision-making, and emotional regulation. Research also highlights that just a few minutes of daily breathwork can improve cognitive performance, reduce anxiety, and increase mental clarity.
Focus on your breath.
It's a simple, accessible tool that we often overlook, yet it can transform how we start our day. So, if you want to take control of your focus, your morning breath is your first biohack. And next, we'll move on to practical techniques you can use immediately to awaken your energy and sharpen your mind.
You can start making a difference today.
Now it's time to put theory into practice. Here's a simple, effective, 5-minute morning breathwork routine to activate focus and energy. We'll start with box breathing. Inhale for 4 counts. Hold for 4.
Part 4.
Exhale for 4. Hold for 4. Repeat this cycle for a few minutes. As you breathe, feel your mind becoming clearer, your body more centered, and your energy rising. If you want a variation, try alternate nostril breathing. Close your right nostril and inhale through the left. Then switch exhale through the right. Inhale through the right. And switch again. This balances your brain hemispheres, harmonizing mental clarity and emotional calm. Both techniques are easy to do anywhere in bed, at your desk, or even during a short break. Consistency is key. Just 5 minutes each morning primes your brain for focus, creativity, and sustained attention throughout the day. Next, we'll explore how to integrate these practices into your broader morning routine for lasting clarity and mental resilience.
Breathwork alone is powerful, but its effects multiply when paired with simple morning habits. Start your day with hydration, letting water awaken your body at a cellular level. Add a few minutes of light movement stretches, yoga, or even a gentle walk to energize your muscles and improve blood flow to the brain. Integrating breathwork with these routines turns your morning into a compound clarity ritual. The more consistent you are, the more your mind adapts to sustained focus, calm attention, and resilience against distractions. Remember, it's not about rushing. Begin with small, mindful steps, a few breaths, a glass of water, a gentle stretch.
Clear call to action for part 5.
Over time, these practices become automatic anchors for your cognitive performance, emotional balance, and overall mental well-being. Next, we'll see how these small habits can transform your entire day, enhancing productivity, mood, and life satisfaction.
Part 5.
By now, you've experienced the immediate effects of your morning breathwork, and clarity rituals heightened focus, calmer mind, and an energized body. These small morning actions ripple throughout your day, improving productivity, decision-making, and emotional resilience. Commit to a 7-day breathwork challenge. Notice how even a few minutes of mindful breathing can shift your mood, sharpen your attention, and reduce stress. Track your progress. Jot down your observations, feelings, or moments of clarity. Remember, transformation is compounded by consistency. Each day you practice, you're rewiring your brain for long-term mental clarity, emotional balance, and peak performance. Finally, share your journey with others. Comment, like, and engage with the community. Exchanging tips and experiences strengthens your commitment and inspires others to cultivate focus and calm in their own lives. Your morning ritual is not just a start to the day, it's a launch pad for an empowered life.
To everything you can imagine. Believe in the power within you.